Assalamu alaikum guys, this is me Muhammad Saleem and you are watching Let's Get Awareness. If you are 0 meter in the parts of speech or in English language, so this video is very conducive for you. Because if you cannot describe the condition, the image of a noun or pronoun, you cannot be a speaker or a writer. So adjective is a very conducive for the speaking and for the writing. Let's know about the adjective and the types of adjective. An adjective describe and modify the noun and pronoun. That means an adjective can change the image, the condition of noun and pronoun. So in this video we are going to discuss 8 types of an adjective. Is the first for adjective, number 2 an adjective of quality, number 3 an adjective of quantity, number 4 the adjective of number, 5 the demonstrative adjective, number 6 distributive adjective, number 7 the interrogative, and last one is a possessive adjective. So let's begin with the first one is a proper adjective. An adjective which is formed from the nouns is known as the proper adjective, such as American, Pakistani, Indian, Bengali, Australian. These are the example of a proper adjective. Second one is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality shows the kind or the quality of person, place or thing. Number 1 a thin man, and number 2 a good boy, and number 3 a great idea, number 4 is a good proposal, 5 a new cap. Now these are all words shows the quality of things. Third one adjective of a quantity. An adjective indicates the quantity of noun and pronoun is called the adjective of quantity, such as half glass, midnight, and few members, a little amount, the several print error, and all wealth. These are all the example of a adjective of a quantity. And the fourth one is a adjective of number. An adjective of numbers describe the definite and undefinite number of person and things. Meant what order of person or thing, such as a few cats, a 5 person, 2 days, a lot of mistakes, many things. So these are all the example of a adjective of number. And the fifth one demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective used to point out person or thing. And there are the 4 demonstrative adjective. Number 1 this, number 2 that, and number 3 these, and number 4 those. So let's use them into the sentence. One sentence, this man is good than me. Number 2 that boy was a clever. Number 3 these things are useless. And number 4 those books were not mine. So these are all the example of a demonstrative adjective. The sixth one distributive adjective. Distributive adjective shows that person or thing are counted collectively and they are referred to number of a group as individual. And there are commonly 4 types of a distributive adjective. Number 1 each, and number 2 every, number 3 either, and number 4 neither. So let's use them into the sentence. Number 1 sentence, each boy must do homework. Every man should do his duty. And number 3, neither pen will write. And number 4, neither man is honest. The second last is the interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used with the noun to ask questions. And there are commonly 3 interrogative adjective. Is the first one is a which, and the second one whose, and Third one is what. Let's use them into the sentence. The first one, which novel do you want to read? Second one sentence is, whose mother is ill? And third one sentence is, what books are you reading nowadays? If you look at these three, the common example of an interrogative adjective, so interrogative adjective always take a noun with itself, but an interrogative pronouns don't take noun with itself. So these are all example of a interrogative adjective, and last one is a possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are used with the noun to show the possession, and possessive adjectives are my, our, your, has, her, its, and their. Possessive adjective always take noun with itself to show the possession, but possessive pronouns don't take noun with itself. So let's use them into the sentence. Number one sentence, my book is new. And number two sentence, our car is a yellow. Number three, your short stories are wonderful. And number four is, her father is an engineer. So these are all the common example of a possessive adjective. So that's all about the adjective. We will be back with the new parts of speech. Subscribe our channel and never miss the click the button of the bell. Like our videos. Your comments are very important as a feedback. Keep watching us.